here I am. Let's go. Okay, is it recording the right format? Which I hope so. Okay. Let's go. Oh, my key. I'm gonna start this baby. You know, it's a warm summer day here in Danbury, Connecticut. You know, Connecticut's not known for e-bikes or e-bike friendly place, but still, I've been having a lot of fun riding around here. You know, hope you're getting the best view possible with my setup today. Right across from me is Target and a lot of cars. This place got a lot of cars. We're almost kind of getting the highway. Of course, we cannot go into the highway, and we're not gonna. I would definitely take the highway. It's closer to my home. But unfortunately, I'm going to stay around. Traffic jam. Seems like we're getting into the rush hour right now because traffic is changing pretty quick. All right, here we go. Traffic is quickly changing. I miss so much riding my motorcycle. I could definitely go a lot faster on a motorcycle. Now the problem about riding or walking in the streets, like you're sort of exposed to bombs. You're so much exposed to bums and drunk people in the street, and it's amazing. Like, you've never imagined there's so many homeless people and so many drunk people and bums out there when you're driving. And all of a sudden, when you're riding a motorcycle or riding a bicycle, just walking, you realize that wow, there's a lot of homeless people in the US. I would say in Brazil. Brazil, there's a lot too. But yeah, there's an awful lot of homeless people in America. best days for my riding so far. Nobody's honking their horns at me. I'm gonna go to the corner, to the curb. I don't want to piss nobody off, and I don't want to be pissed off either. What do you think about those Maseratis? They're awesome cars, very beautiful. I don't like the SUV cars, but I certainly like sport cars. Maseratis are awesome. Italian cars are great. But they're really, really expensive in America. Give a nice coat, smooth. Went to the office to get my pool pass for the condo where I live, and unfortunately I couldn't get it because the landlord has to do the job himself, but the landlord is telling me to do the job, which is crazy. I know, but my landlord's such a bum. He doesn't help in any way. That's certainly fucked. There's so many people sleeping in traffic right now that it's super easy to just ride an e-bike because people are literally sleepwalking. Literally. Traffic light is green. Guys looking at the phone. People have been sleepwalking a lot. That's crazy. This house, there's somebody who has an e-bike. It's the only e-bike I've seen in Connecticut. Oh yeah. You know what? There's a cemetery up at the end of the street, and what's weird is that I love riding in a cemetery. It brings me peace. I don't know why. You know, it's cool. It's cool. I like it. Here. Been riding my bikes and e-bikes there quite a while now. I think I might take you on a ride there someday. Yeah, I might take you on a ride there someday. Such a good day to ride an e-bike. Fast are we? 27. Yeah, when you ride e-bikes, you gotta be very careful because, you know, people don't see you. But I mean, regardless of whether you're riding very carefully or not, because bikes are really faster than cars. They make quick turns, so it's obvious that people don't see you, and the ones who see, they're afraid of hitting you, and some others just don't give a fuck. So it's a mix of perspectives and feelings towards an e-bike, and you gotta be in the know. You gotta be out there to notice these changes, these sudden changes. And sometimes when I ride, it really sucks because it seems like everybody's mad at me. And some other times when I ride, it's like it's pretty chill and nobody cares. Like today was one of these days, one of the good days. But it's not always like that. It really depends on the tide. Look, there is a nutcase coming in. These nutcases. The pool pass, yeah. Still full passless. Nossa, velho, que tamanho.
Você é muito engraçado chegando com esse negócio na cabeça, com uma câmera. Nossa, o povo deve pensar, gente.
That's my baby. This is my baby. Her name is Mermaid. Sereia.
E aí, Serei?
Ah, vou mandar mensagem pra ele agora.
Ah, qual B.O.?
Nada. Ele que tem que ir lá pegar e se cuidar.
Eles não deram, mas tá lá?
Não tem nada lá.
Ah.
Não tem nada lá, eles têm que fazer e pegar, tem que pagar $12 por unidade.